My dear students, I am continuing next video. The minimum number of zeros in the upper triangular matrix based on upper triangular matrix I discussed in previous video. So minimum number of zeros in the upper triangular matrix of order n by n. So you understand upper triangular matrix always a square matrix. So it is the given n by n. So that means here n number of rows and number of columns is equal to n. Then minimum number of zeros is n into n minus 1 by 2. Minimum number of zeros means, once you remember, minimum number of zeros means only these three will be 0. For suppose if you go for 3 by 3 matrix, only these three will be 0, remaining should not be 0. Maximum means all may be zeros. Okay, that is the important here. See, by taking 3 examples I will explain. If you go for 2 by 2 matrix, if you go for 2 by 2 matrix, it will be 2 3 0 4. So it is upper triangular matrix means principal diagonal elements below all elements will be 0. In principal diagonal elements, this is principal diagonal elements a11, a22. Okay, so remaining below we have only one entry, that is will be 0, but remaining should not be zeros, then only we will get minimum number. So here how many zeros are possible? Only 1 0 for 2 by 2. Okay, next if you go for 3 by 3 matrix, so 1 3 4 0 2 5 0 0 3. If you observe, this is the principal diagonal or diagonal of a matrix. Okay, so below all elements should be 0, then only it is upper triangular matrix. So remaining how many entries? 3 entries. So 0 0 0. These 3 will be 0, then only it is upper triangular matrix. So it is 3 by 3 matrix. So we have 3 entries. Remember, okay, that 3 how can you write? 1 plus 2. Okay, I am writing like this. So why you are going to write like this, you can understand by next example. Okay, if you go for 4 by 4, actually for 2 by 2 1 you got, for 3 by 3 3 you got, for 4 by 5 what you will get? 4 by 4 means, so this is the principal diagonal element. So in principal that means in diagonal and above the diagonal elements no one should be 0, but below the diagonal all will be zeros. So after writing 4 by 4, it is exactly 4 by 4 matrix. So below principal diagonal, how many entries are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. These 6 will be 0 only. So this 6 I am writing like this: 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, that means 2 by 2 means up to write only 1. That means less than 2. 2 before number, what is that? 1 only. 3 by 3 matrix, 3 before number is what? 2. So that's why you are writing up to 2, 1 plus 2. 4 before number is 3, before natural number. Okay, 3. So writing up to 3, all sum of the natural numbers, that gives 6. Up to 2 sum of the natural numbers, that gives these 3 zeros. Up to sum of 1, 1 means 1 only. So only 1. So it is in the form of 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3, if it is 4 by 4. Okay, for 4 by 4 up to 3. For n by n, up to n you have to, up to n minus 1 you have to write. Okay, before number. So for n by n, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to plus n minus 1 you have to write. It is sum of first n minus 1 natural numbers. It is sum of n minus 1 natural numbers. In general, sum of n natural numbers, I am giving some basic formulas. Already we know about this, but I am giving one more time. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n, first n natural numbers, sum of first n natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of the squares of first n natural numbers is equal, that means 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to plus n square. You have to remember all these formulas, is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Next, sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers, that means 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on plus n cube is equal to n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. All these three formulas you should remember. Okay. See here, it is a sum of first n minus 1 natural numbers. In the place of it, if it is n you have to write. If it is n minus 1, you have to write n minus. If it is 5, you have to write 5. Okay, it is n minus 1. So in this formula, you write n minus 1. Okay, so here you write this in this place n, I have written n minus 1. And in the place of n plus 1, I should write in the place of n plus 1, I should write n minus 1. If I write here n minus 1, n minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, only we have n. For this position gives this n. For this position you get n minus 1 by 2. So 2 means always fixed by 2. So if you simplify, okay, already I simplified here. Okay, I have written directly here answer. So this simplification you get from here. So in the place of n you write n minus 1. In the place of n plus 1 you write n minus 1 plus 1. So 1 get cancelled. We have n into n minus 1. So n into n minus 1 means n into n minus 1 by 2. 2 is there. So directly we can write n into n minus 1 by 2. That is our answer. Okay. So very easily we can remember n into n minus 1 by 2. Minimum number. What about maximum number of zeros? So maximum number of zeros in the upper triangular matrix of order n by n is, maximum number means all of them will be zeros only. All elements will be zeros. Because of, if you want to observe the upper triangular matrix, below the elements should be 0, but remaining elements may be 0, may not be 0. Maximum means all should be 0. See, it will be clumsy we have. So I am writing one more time here. 1, that means no, I am not writing this 143 also. In this 143 I am writing zeros. Actually this explanation I have already explained this one, so it will be clumsy only. So that's why I am writing one more time 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. I am starting from 3 by 3. If you go for 3 by 3 and 4 by 4, you can understand. So all will be zeros. How it will be? These two will be zeros. So by, like that I am taking. These two will be 0. Okay. Next one. These two will be zeros. Otherwise, you can go in this method. So for our convenience, first this one will be 0 and this is also 0. Ones are there. These two elements are zeros. These two elements are zeros. To getting the formula, I am writing like this. So this is only 1 3 elements. See how many ones are there? 1 zeros. 2 are there. 2 zeros, 2 are there. 3 zeros, only 1 is there. Once again, 1 zeros, 2 are there. 2 zeros, 2 are there. 3 zeros, only 1 is there. So how can I write this one? 2 into 1. This 2 you can write as 2 into 1. These 2 2's you can write as 2 into 2 plus 3. So one more example with 4 by 4. So 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. This is 4 by 4 matrix. So this is you can write like this. To get a formula like this, ones we have 2, twos we have here also 2, threes we have 3, fours we have only 1. This is in the position of 4. So how many ones are there? 2 ones are there. How many twos are there? 2 twos are there. How many threes are there? 2 threes are there. How many fours are there? Only 1. 1 2 3 4. Okay. So this one you can write as 2 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 4. So this one if you generalize this formula, 2 into 1 2 into 2 plus 3. So it is 3 by 3, 2 into 1 2 into 2. Before 3 number you have to write 3 before number 2. Up to 2 you have to write 2 into 1 2 into 2 plus 3. If it is 4 by 4, before 4 3 is there. So up to 3 we have to write 2 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 4. Just you write last number 4. If it is n by n, if you generalize this one, how can you write? 2 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus and so on, 2 into n minus 1 plus n you have to write. So if you simplify here only, we can understand it clearly. So if you take 2 common from these two numbers, 2 of 1 plus 2 plus 3. If you take 2 common from 3 terms, if you take 2 common, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So if it is n by n, 2 common, Up to n minus 1 we have to write inside the bracket. That means 2 common, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n minus 1 plus here 4 means 4 by 4, here n by n means n. So this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n minus 1 already I simplified here. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n minus 1 is n into n minus 1 by 2. So 2 into n minus 1 by 2 plus n is there. Okay, plus n is there. Now come to the point. This 2 and 2 get cancelled. So now we have n into n minus 1 plus n. So this is n square minus n plus n. So minus n plus n get cancelled. We have only n square. In the next video, we will discuss about lower triangular matrix. In that lower triangular matrix, maximum number of zeros, how many you will get, minimum number of zeros, how many you will get. We'll discuss in next video. Okay.